Sorry about that, guys. My computer froze on me for a moment. So let's get back to the problem we were reviewing. And scaling down to scale up, we have this ratio 20 to 7, and we're being asked to find the equivalent ratio 15 to some number. Now, there isn't an easy way to get from 20 to 15, so I'm going to try to scale it down. And I know that it is really easy to scale 20 down by 2. Now I'm going to start there. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And I'm going to do the same thing on the side because, again, we're keeping things equal and balanced and proportional. So 7 divided by 2, I know, is 3 and a half, 3 5/10. Now, there still isn't an easy way to go from here to here, so I'm going to try scaling down again. And I'm going to divide by 2 again. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And I'm going to come over here and do the same thing. Now, if you think about this in terms of money, I know that 75 cents plus 75 cents equals $1.50, and $1.50 plus $1 is $3.50. So I have $1.75 because, again, 1 and 1 is 2, plus another $1.50 would be $3.50. Now I can see that I can easily scale up from 5 to 15 by multiplying by 3. I'm going to do the same thing on the side to keep it equal and proportional. And $1.75 or 1.75 times 3 is 5 1/4. So again, I know these are equal and proportional because of the steps we took to get there. We kept things balanced and equal on both sides of the table. So the last option you have is to scale to 10, meaning we're going to try to go from here to 10 to make it easier to go from 10 to 1, our unit rate. And we want to find this number right here. So I know that 12.5 is half of 25. So I'm going to multiply by 2. Times 2 gives me 60. So if I think about, I want this to be 10 right here. If I think about how I could scale up from 25 to make it easy to get to 10, I know that 25 and 10 both have 100 in common. So I'm going to multiply 25 by 4 to get to 100. And I'm going to do the same thing over here, times 4. And now I can easily see how to scale to 10. I'm going to divide by 10 because there are 10 tens in 100. And just like we did over here when we divided by 10, I am simply moving that decimal 1 place to the left. So 240 divided by 10 is 24. And I'm going to divide by 10 again to get 1. Divide by 10 again. Move the decimal 1 place to the left, and we end up with 2 4/10. So those are just some examples of how you can use ratio tables to find equivalent ratios. If you have any questions, please let me know.